Hi Lee, how are you? Okay, just a quick MacBook repair. Charger, that is. So, how are we going to get into this thing? Let me adjust this camera a bit so you can see. Where shall I put it? Maybe here. I'll see my... some... maybe here? See if I can find a stand for this. Here we go. For my flare. Stick that on there. Okie dokie. Yeah, I'm not sure what the lag is like. Yeah, wife has forced me to grow my hair again, so that's it. So, opening this up. Easiest way? Scalpel? No. This? Maybe. Let's see. What about a Dremel? No. Well, what I use is knocking the camera over first. Is these. These are circlip pliers for my car. That's why they're covered in oil from the garage. So these are quite handy for this. You can just stick them in between this thing here, and then pop. And that's open. You can just go around the edge to get the rest of it open. Okay, now we have this open. Wasn't too difficult, was it? The problem with this is the cable. That's kind of what is always the problem with these. Either the end here or the down here they get broken, or here. In this case it's this end which is broken, so I'm going to just swap the cable over. Now I've got this open. Just need to unwrap some of this Captain tape inside. So you need to have the right cable for these. This is an 85 watt charger, and this cable is 85 watt cable. Apparently they have different chips in the end of these, so I haven't actually tried using a different one on a different charger, but I guess it makes sense to use the right one. I use also these 85 watt cables on my power supply, so I can power MacBooks off of them, and you can see the current readings and things as well at the same time. Yeah, of course you can buy a cable, man. This was $4.90, $4.50 or something from AliExpress. Let me see if I can find the link for you. AliExpress, our favourite shopping place. My God, they must have made a lot of money out of me. Sign in. Yep. I have some stupid verification system these days. Okay, there we go. Count my orders. So it's here. I wonder if I can swap this to the browser. And this is the MagSafe 2 cables that you can also change. So let's get back to this. Let's have a look in here. So I have to find where this goes, which means unwrapping this a little bit. Haven't done one of these in a while, so yeah, there's the join here, so let's get that open. Where's my glasses so I can see something? Unwrap this mother. You can't really see, can you? What if I get this in a better place where it's not taking a picture of my beer stomach? So there, let's unwrap like a little Christmas present from Apple. And there we have inside the full of white stuff. I wonder what that could be. Oh, Jesus Christ. 10% GST. That's insane. Tell them to get stuffed. Right, let's see where this is soldered to. Somewhere near here, I guess. Okay, there. So I'm going to have to pick some of this white stuff away. See if maybe it's better view through the microscope now. Let's try that. Webcam for now. Well, I pick this away. So that goes. Ah, it's joined onto these two here. That's new. Before, the other previous ones I've done, they were not on a coil like this. They was just soldered directly to the board. So this actually makes it a bit easier. Now I don't have to solder it to the board. I can just solder it directly to these cables. So I'm just going to cut these off. Let's have a look into the microscope. Ah, no audio. I'll try to fix that. Just a minute. Sorry. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. I guess it's working now. Yep. Alright. Yeah, just going through the ferrite ring. I just did one turn, so I can have plenty of room to work with. I got my new cable here. Get some heat shrink. Now, I was just saying before when I had no audio that I should put the heat shrink first always, because otherwise I forget to put it after I've done the connections. That's thick enough. Let's use that one. Okay. I think I'll tin these up first, then I'll put the heat shrink on. Let's get the iron on. Flux for everything, even though I don't normally. This is a BCM2. Lovely. That's a bit long. It will shrink when I solder the connection. There we go. Okay, let's get that on there. So now we have our two prepared cables. So I think I'll shorten these off a bit. Right, really you should twist these together and then solder them, but since this is going to be held into the case from this rubber grommet, it's enough that they're just well soldered and not the mechanical connection isn't going to be a problem. So, and if you don't like it, well, tough shit, you can do it your way. So, I wonder if I can manage this with one hand. Let's maybe tin these up first. Using the microscope for this, hilarious. And burn my finger off. Let's get that trimmed so we can get a decent connection here now on this. Try to get it in the camera view, oh my god. Bollocks. Not really happy with that. Put a bit extra solder on there. This is what comes of me being lazy and not putting it in a clamp. Just a minute. Let's move this out of the way. That's better. That's a good join. Okay. Right, let's hope I didn't shrink the shrink too much. Let's put that on. It goes over. Yep, just okay. There we go. Good. Seal there. And shrink that with the hot air. Let's use 5 million degrees. 5 million degrees? No? Oh, the real one. Yeah, I have a bad habit of being lazy for some reason. What temperature are we at? 500, and that's a bit much. Let's melt this down. Mr. Quick melts. Very nice. And that's connected. Then it's just a matter of putting the case back together. So we'll move back to the webcam view. This is all okay. I guess I need to just put these cables in here somehow. Maybe I think I'll hot glue a little bit, or maybe it'd be fine. It's better anyway that I have a bit of space I can maneuver. So I'll just push it in there. We'll wrap it up in this. If I remember which way around. I think it went this way. Yeah. Or yeah, because the plastic's on the bottom. This way. Now why didn't I take notice of that? Yeah, it's this way. All the Kapton tape, make sure that's on the inside. Right, that's together like that. I don't know if you can see. I just wrap that around and I'll just put a piece of Kapton tape, hold it. Nice big thick reel here. So I'll take a bit of this off. I don't want to use too much because, you know, it's expensive stuff, this tip. Can't be just flaunting it around as if you own the place. My tape's thicker than the original Apple one. Yeah. So that's on like that, I think. Okay, now we can try to put this back together again, which is the easier said than done. Right, so it would be this way. It fits into, yeah, okay. Just in like that. There's our little clips. I don't normally bother putting these clips back, but you know, some people prefer to have them. This one probably goes there. I wonder what this one does. Must have gone here somehow. Ah, I see how. It's there. Okay. I should maybe get my hot glue gun on the go. I'll use just yeah. Right. Gonna plug my hot glue gun in just a minute. Oh, echo. There must be something. Okay, one extra one on here. How about now? Is it okay? It was two audio sources. But you can hear me now? Righty-ho. Right, hot glue time. Let's sit this way. I have to be quick when I put this on. I might actually use this other glue. I'm not going to use hot glue. Oh, if I didn't bring it with me, I have some other glue. I'll have to use hot glue then. Yeah. Quickly check in my bag. Nope, no hot glue. Not the other glue anyway. Okay, that's fine. I guess B7000 would be okay as well. I've normally just hot glued them together though. This is going to take ages to warm up now, isn't it? I wonder if I can do something while we're waiting for that. What do I have hanging around here? Yes, an XS Max. This is brand new. It's just this is not the right screen for it. Well, it is the right screen now because the screen was sold. So this is the cracked screen from the other one, and this is just randomly shutting itself off after 5 minutes. I'm just waiting for the jig to come for this and the stencil, and then I'm gonna just reball the sandwich. I've actually tried everything else already that I can do short of splitting the sandwich, so this is gonna be a fun job when the equipment comes in. Yeah, they need glue, Lee. It's they're glued really tight together. That first time I tried to take one of these to pieces, it was a bitch. If you don't have this kind of tool, which makes it very, very easy, then you're going to have a problem getting it apart. It's good. It's a good. Well, yeah. Well, I do have plenty of these, so no problem there, buddy. But yeah, maybe this is warm enough. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's good enough. I need excessive amounts of glue. I can trim the glue afterwards, so it doesn't matter if you put it too much. Which I'm doing. I try to keep these in as the hardest part. Ah, shit. I didn't get the rubber in. I have to open it again. There we go. Yeah, sure, no problem. I think the trick with the 10 is just to use gentle heat evenly on both sides, not just using a preheater, because if you think how how materials react with heat, they contract and expand. Then if you keep the even heat on both sides of the upper board, there's less chance of it warping. So that's just my thinking on the matter, rather than just using the preheater alone. I think it helps just to give a little bit of gentle hot air at the same time. I just need to trim these edges now. Like that. Excess glue away. Yeah, I need to do it again this side because it's not glued down properly. I mean, you can use whatever you want to put this back together, I guess. It's just more convenient for me, so. Why didn't I bring my clamps today? They're all at home. I guess I can tape it shut as well. It might be actually wise to put a band of tape around it just to for safety if someone else is using it. Or use some better glue. So that's glued. I have still excess glue here. Trim that off. Try not to cut through my new cable. And then we'll put just one wrap of Captain just to make sure it stays. And I can test it. Where is my tape end? $190 is a bit high, isn't it, buddy? I don't think no, 90. Is yours calibrated, your heater? I think 190 is nuts. Yeah, it's the right way around. Live on the live. So yeah, on these cables, the yellow one is sorry, the white one is the plus. Just plug it in so it doesn't blow up. Nope. I have to find I've got one old MacBook here I can test it on. Yep. Green light. Charging 96%. Okay, yeah, perfect. Well, it's working now. Is that? Oh yeah, the camera's the other side. I didn't see that. Trying to show it under the microscope. Sorted. So that's how you can quickly change your power supply cable if you need to. But yeah, 190 to lift. It sounds so high. Yeah. And I guess when it has to come through the whole board, it's. I mean, I have my preheater set to 140, and then I use hot air. I just over 140. I think it's just nuts, too much. But yeah, I'll try that 190 on some donor boards and see how it goes. Will be interesting to see. But anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for coming, Lee, and anyone else that sees this. And change this back. Yeah, catch you guys later. Bye.